If your shorts are struggling to get views, you're likely making one of these common mistakes. Having created a few viral shorts over 20 million views, here is what I found out. 1. Using a new account. New accounts struggle to gain traction because YouTube's algorithm is skeptical of channels that start uploading immediately. Use an account that's at least a few months old that has some activity such as watching videos or liking them. 2. Over-uploading. Uploading too frequently, 2 to 3 times per day, while your channel is brand new, overwhelms the algorithm, preventing it from properly testing and pushing your content. If you have less than 1,000 subs, doing one short per day is sufficient. Allow videos time to sit and gather data. Some videos with no initial views may suddenly gain 10,000 views after a few hours. 3. Poor view-to-swipe ratio. An average VTS below 70% tells YouTube that viewers aren't engaging with your content. You will need to improve the thumbnail to capture attention or make them curious. This takes time to learn, and not all your videos will perform well even if it's above 70%, which brings me to the next point. 4. Consistency. Shorts rely on momentum, and being consistent, such as uploading once per day, will greatly improve your chances of your shorts going viral if the content is engaging. Some shorts do not do well initially, but may go viral a few months in. Do not give up even if everything seems hopeless. 5. Not checking YouTube analytics. Many creators overlook valuable insights in YouTube Studio, missing opportunities to improve their videos, such as engagement, the view-to-swipe ratio, and optimal time your subscribers are awake to watch your shorts. 6. Longer shorts. Perform better over time. While shorts shorter than 20 seconds can go viral, most of my viral shorts that kept on getting views over time have longer than 30-second duration. If you can keep your short over 30 seconds or closer to 60 seconds, the better it is. 7. Failing to stand out. While you can use popular AI voices for shorts, using your own voice or choosing less popular voices alongside unique thumbnails can turn things around. Try experimenting with your own captions, sound effects to make the short your very own style instead of entirely copying another channel. 8. Poor video quality. Many creators think their videos are great, but in reality, they suffer from bad editing, slow pacing, or weak storytelling. Ask yourself, would I watch this if I saw it while scrolling? If the answer is no, improve it. Join communities on Reddit and Discord. Start asking for feedback. 9. Poor titles and descriptions. Overloading titles with hashtags or leaving descriptions blank hurts discoverability. Use short, catchy titles with only one hashtag. Write detailed descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search rankings. Use ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI to write them for you. 10. Uploading random content. It is always better to have a specific niche so YouTube knows your audience and can recommend your shorts to the right people. If you are still getting 0 or low views, stop uploading. Take a break for a week or two. Post one short, then wait 48 hours before posting another. Repeat for a month. If your videos still get no views, consider starting a new channel with a fresh Gmail ID and avoiding past mistakes. Make sure to authenticate the channel with a legit phone number so YouTube knows you are not a bot.